Power off the unit and unplug from the wall. Both the air probe and the water probe must be changed for the unit to operate correctly. Locate the air probe access panel on the right side of the cabinet. Using a Phillips screwdriver or screw gun, remove the panel retaining screw, then remove the panel. Pull back the insulation and locate the air probe and the air probe Molex connection. Disconnect the air probe Molex connection. Using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove the two probe retaining nuts. Pull out the air probe and bracket and orange gasket. Locate the air probe and new orange gasket from the kit. Remove the two brackets from the old probe and insert them onto the new probe, followed by the orange gasket. Insert the new probe into the opening as shown. Using a 3/8 inch nut driver, replace the two retaining nuts. Reconnect the Molex connection and replace the insulation. Next, replace the air probe access panel using a Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. Ensure that the evaporator pan is drained. Remove the lower right side access panel using a Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. Locate the water probe connection and then disconnect. Using a 9/16 inch wrench, remove the water probe compression nut. Using a hammer, tap the water probe out from the inside. Pull the water probe out from the outside. Locate the water probe, compression nut, and ferrule in the kit. Thread the compression nut and then the ferrule onto the water probe. Insert the water probe back into the evaporator pan approximately 2 1/4 inches. Using a 9/16 wrench, tighten the compression nut until the water probe doesn't slide in or out. Reconnect the water probe Molex connection. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver or screw gun, replace the lower access panel. Using a Phillips screwdriver or screw gun, remove the 6 top retaining screws. Next, lift the top up and off of the cabinet. Locate the relay board, 2 plastic screw grommets, and the 2 screws in the kit. Insert the 2 grommets as shown in the right front corner top. Align the relay board with the grommet holes and secure the relay board using the 2 screws and a Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. Remove the wire harness wire tie. Using a Phillips screwdriver or screw gun, remove the existing control board screws. Depress and remove the 9-pin Molex connection and then the 6-pin Molex connection. Next, remove the control board. Using a flat-tip screwdriver, depress the tabs on the female 9-pin Molex connection in the cabinet housing and push the connection into the upper compartment. Locate the relay wire 9-pin. This will be the thicker wires, and connect to the female 9-pin that was just pushed into the upper cabinet. Route the signal 9-pin wires, the thinner wires, to the slot that the female 9-pin was in. Insert the signal 9-pin into the vacant slot. Locate the green wire lead coming off the grounding hub and remove the cap. Next, locate the green lead coming off of the signal wires and connect it to the grounding hub green wire. Replace the cabinet top using the 6 retaining screws. Next, locate the new control board in the kit and remove the protective film. Connect the control board 6-pin to the cabinet 6-pin, and then connect the control board 9-pin to the cabinet 9-pin. Insert the control board into the control board housing. Use the existing control board retaining screws to attach the control board using a Phillips screwdriver. Next, fill the evaporator pan with water and then plug the unit back in. Turn the unit on and verify that the unit is heating up correctly.